Update time. I know most people are waiting on Corolla updates, and I'm working on it right now. The carb is going back together, and I've got a few little custom pieces I'm working on as well. But I've also had a few other jobs to do, like helping Angelo and his dad with their 1927 Rolls-Royce New Phantom touring body by Barker. The car's almost 100 years old, which is pretty awesome, and as you can imagine, it's got a few little niggles. One of them being these outdated plugs. They'd like to change to a more modern plug for ease of serviceability. Although it's an inline 6, the car actually runs both a magneto and a coil, so that's 2 plugs per cylinder, 12 plugs in total. And to run the new plugs, they needed an adapter. So I made some, and then I made a video about it. So here's a little snippet, but if you'd like to see it in more depth, check out my widescreen video platform. You know the one. Links in my bio, and in the meantime, I'll keep working on these Corolla updates.